Hello everyone, I am Eunice, and I am very happy to share with you some of my experiences in 3D printing. I am an amateur with a deep passion for this technology, and today I will share some of my experiences in this field. This is the first time I have come into contact with 3D printing. I have some thoughts on model design, challenges and breakthroughs in a certain design, some special design techniques I use, the material selection I use in different projects, and my experience in each design. A necessary checklist before printing. I need to deal with the support structure. The support structure has an impact on the success of printing. The surface treatment and post-processing after printing is completed. Show what I think is the most successful 3D printing work.